There are two serial numbers associated with a G5 headset. To locate the serial numbers, detach the control pod from the carrier. You will find one serial number inside the control pod. This serial number is your primary tracking number for your G5 headset, which registers and displays on your base station. You will also find another serial number on your carrier. Both serial numbers must be registered with 3M in order to honor the 2-year warranty. For cleaning, use a soft cloth and mild cleaning solution to wipe the surface clean. Do not soak the headset or immerse it in water, as you may damage the electronics. Reattach the foam ear pad. To change the disposable pads, pull and stretch the foam over and around the rim of the earpiece. For headband adjustment, gently push or pull on the adjustment slide to create a comfortable fit.